is from the chapter Areas Related to Circles, in which we are given to find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, or the distance covered by the tip of minute hand between the given time period. Now, the main thing behind this question, to solve this question, the main idea that we need to understand is what is the shape of the area when that minute hand moves for 5 minutes. So this is the basic shape of a clock. The minute hand, we say it starts from 12, and if I say the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes matlab will come to the position of 1, and if I need to see the area, this entire thing moves from here to here. So when we need to find the area swept by any hand, it could be our hand, minute hand, our hand will come later. Area swept by minute hand in the given time period, we need to find sector of the circle. We need to find area of sector. The shape made by minute hand when we need to find the area is sector. So we need to find area of sector. Now next is find the distance covered by the tip. So if the distance, we see the movement of the tip, so we'll notice that it forms length of arc. We need to find length of arc. तो पहली चीज समझने वाली है that we need to see area swept by minute hand is area of sector. Distance covered is length of arc. Now for both the formulas, if you see area of sector, that is given as pi r square theta by 360. Pi we know is a constant. We have the value 22/7 or 3.14. Radius, which is the length of minute hand, 14 centimeter, and theta. We don't have the central angle made by the minute hand in the given time period. We need to find the central angle theta here for both the things. Length of arc, we know the formula is 2 pi r theta by 360. So the main concern here is to find theta. तो इस क्वेश्चन में when we need to find theta here, तो हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? We need to understand the concept of clocks and the movement of minute hand, right? We say the minute hand starts from 12. Now minute hand starts from 12, goes in clockwise movement and again has to come at 12. So from 12 to 12 अगर मिनट हैंड मूव किया है तो उसने डिस्टेंस 12 to 12 का कवर किया होगा. दिस राउंड डिस्टेंस इट हैज कवर्ड इन 60 मिनट्स. और क्योंकि मैं एंगल निकाल रही हूँ तो आई टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिग्रीज. सो द कंप्लीट एंगल इज 360 degrees. So we say minute hand covers 360 degrees in 60 minutes. Minute hand covers 360 degrees in 60 minutes. So from here, we'll find the speed of minute hand per minute. 1 minute में minute hand कितना move करता है. So that would be distance, which is 360 degrees divided by 60, which would be 6 degrees per minute. Now this is the important thing that we need to understand, that minute hand. So remember this, minute hand covers 6 degrees in 1 minute. So once you understand this, the question becomes very easy to solve because we then can find the central angle. So minute hand covers 6 degrees in 1 minute. So if I need to find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, 5 मिनट में एरिया निकालना है ना, तो 1 मिनट में मिनट हैंड कितना मूव किया? 6 डिग्रीज. सो डिस्टेंस या एंगल फॉर्म्ड इन 5 मिनट्स, एंगल formed by minute hand in 5 minutes would be 6 degrees into 5. The angle is 30 degrees. So now for the formula, you have theta as 30 degrees. Area निकालना है तो we'll use the formula pi r square theta by 360. Pi I'll use as 22/7. Length of the minute hand would be the radius, 14 का square. Theta is 30 degrees. Divide by 360 degrees. इसको solve करेंगे. 22/7, 14 into 14, 30 by 360. तो 7 2s are 14, 30 12s are, and from here I will take it as 6, and from here 7, and this would give me as 3. So it would be 154/3 square centimeter because it's area. The most important thing is 6 degrees in 1 minute. Now coming to the second part of the question, which says distance covered by the tip between 7 to 7:35. So we understand that we need to find length of arc here, right? So to find the length of arc, what we do is we find the central angle, but the time gap between 7 to 7:35 is 35 minutes. Now again, based on the same topic that we have 6 degrees in 1 minute. So theta in 35 minutes would be 6 into 35, which is 210 degrees. So length of arc is 2 pi r theta by 360. We'll say 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 210 by 360 degrees. So we'll solve it. So this is 7, this is 12, then 4, 3. Again, the answer is 154 by 3 centimeter because now this is the distance covered. So this is 154 by 3 centimeter distance covered by the tip between these 35 minutes. ये तो बात हुई मिनट हैंड की. अब इसी के साथ एक रिलेटेड टॉपिक आता है आवर हैंड, राइट? डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय आवर हैंड और डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय मिनट हैंड. Now in boards paper 23 boards, there was this question related to hour hand. It was a very simple one, MCQ tha for 1 mark, MCQ on in board 2023, which was what is the angle made by hour hand. So the basic concept is to find the angle made by hour hand in 35 minutes itself. So now we need to understand either to find the area or to find the distance covered. दोनों ही चीजें निकालने के लिए we now need to understand what is the angle made by our hand in 1 minute. अब our hand की मूवमेंट को समझेंगे. बेसिक क्लॉक तो हमारे पास वही है 12, 6, 3, 9 इस तरह से ही बना होता है. अब our hand ने 12 से स्टार्ट करना है. It starts from 12 and moving clockwise our hand comes to 12 position in how much time? From 12 complete degrees cover करना है 360 degrees covered in, if you say 12 to 1 1 hour, 1 to 2 2 hours, 2 to 3 3 hours, तो ऐसे करते करते 12 पे आएगा in 12 hours. तो इससे मेरे पास आएगा speed of our hand. Speed of our hand is 360 degrees by 12, which will give me 30 degrees per hour. Now 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So we always find, because time gap हमें minutes में दिया होता है, तो we always find the speed in 1 minute. So we'll say our hand covers 30 degrees in 60 minutes. इसको further जब हम लेकर जाएंगे तो मेरे पास आ जाएगा our hand covers 30 by 60, which is 1 by 2 degrees per minute. Now this you need to remember that our hand covers half degree per minute. So coming back to the board question, which says angle made by the hour hand in 35 minutes. Angle made by hour hand in 35 minutes. So we know the movement of hour hand is half degrees per minute. Half degrees per minute is the movement. Time gap is 35 minutes. So it will give me the answer as 17.5 degrees. The answer was 17 and a half or simply 35 degrees. We'll see the option and accordingly mark it. 35 by 2 I think दिया हुआ था. So we'll mark 35 by 2. अगर फिर से we need to find the area swept by our hand अगर हमें दिया हो in 5 minutes. So what I'll do is half degrees in 1 minute. So 5 minutes में it will be 5 by 2 degrees. So central angle 5 by 2 आ जाएगा. So we'll do pi r square. Let me take it as 14 only into 5 by 2 divide by 360. इसको solve करोगे area भी आ जाएगा. Distance के लिए we'll find the length of arc 2 pi r theta by 360. The main thing is to find the theta. The main thing is to find the theta. For minute hand, again I'll say it's 6 degrees per minute, and for our hand is half degrees per minute, and then we'll see if they are asking us area or the distance covered. We'll accordingly apply the formula and get the